Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see that how can we open Clipboard in Windows. To get started, make sure you have Clipboard history enabled in your settings. Simply search for Clipboard settings and ensure that the Clipboard history toggle is switched on. Once that's set up, press Windows key plus V on your keyboard and voila! The clipboard will unfold before you, revealing a history of your copied items. For every item, you have an option to delete it from the list and also to paste it. You can also paste any item by clicking on it. You can also access different emojis, GIFs, cowmojis, and symbols using the same window. You have an option to pin a copied item too. The pinned item will remain in the Clipboard history even when the PC is turned off. It will also remain when you press Clear All to clear the entire Clipboard history. That's all for today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell to never miss an update. Thank you for watching.